good morning boys and girls. How are you today? Okay, I've got some friends here to show you. Here's Minnie Mouse. Hello boys and girls. Can you say hello to Minnie Mouse? Hello Minnie Mouse. And how are you today, Minnie? I'm fine, thank you. Very good. And she's brought her friend the monkey. Hello Mr. Monkey. Hello boys and girls. How are you today? Yes, I think the boys and girls are all well today. How are you, Monkey? I'm fine, thank you. Very good, I'm glad about that. So today, Minnie and Monkey, we are going to learn about birds. But first of all, I want to see if you can remember what we learned last time. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures and see if you can remember. Sit down nicely and I will show you the pictures. Okay, so what are these? That's right, flowers. Last week we learnt about flowers, and these are some beautiful flowers growing, aren't they? Okay, and flowers have lots of different parts. So let's see if you can remember what the parts are. What are these yellow things that are growing at the top? Petals, that's right. So can you say petals? Good job. What is this long thin one called? What is it? Stem. Can you say stem? Very good. And under the ground, what do they have to stop them falling and to secure them? What are these? Can you see? These are called roots. Can you say roots? Very good. And on the stem, on here, they've got two growing. What are they? That's right, they are leaves. Leaves. Can you say leaves? Very good. Now, if there's only one leaf, we say leaf. So we would say one leaf. Can you say that? One leaf. But if we have two leaves or many leaves, we say leaves. So can you say many leaves? That's good. Many leaves. So one leaf, many leaves. Very good. Now, we know that if we plant these and they will grow, 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 and these will make a flower. And what are they? Seeds. Good job. Can you say seeds? Very good. Seeds. Okay, I'm going to show you a real flower seed. Here it is. It's very small, isn't it? So remember what you have to do. You have to dig a hole, put it in the soil, cover it, pour on some water. It needs water every day, just a little bit. And then we have to put it in the sunshine and then the flower will grow. So that's all about flowers, which we already know now, and I think you will remember. This week we're going to learn about birds. So I'm going to show you some pictures and I'm going to tell you some things about birds. That will be good, won't it? Okay, so first of all, here is a picture of a bird. Okay, so can you say bird? And this bird is yellow, isn't it? So it's a yellow bird. Birds like to go and fly up into trees. So here's a tree and they like to make their home, and their home or their house is called a nest. So here's a nest. Can you see that? And what's inside the nest? That's right, eggs. Because birds lay eggs. So in this nest we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. What do you think will come out of the eggs? Baby birds, won't they? So that's nice, isn't it? Oh, what do birds have around their bodies? Do they have fur? No, birds have feathers. Look, here's a feather. Here's another feather. So these are feathers, which birds have all around their bodies to keep them warm, don't they? Right, so birds like to fly, they like to go up into the trees, build a nest and lay their eggs in a nest. And here we've got a colouring worksheet to do, haven't we? And this shows the mummy bird and the eggs and the nest and the tree. So you can colour that. You can colour with green if you like, Yeah, you can colour the trees green. That's all the leaves on the trees. And you can colour the branches brown. Look, there's the branches. There we go. Colour with brown. And you can colour the trunk brown, because we know that this part of the tree is a trunk. And the nest is probably made out of some leaves and some twigs. So I'll colour that with green too. Or you can make it two colours. You can do it green and brown. There we are. And the eggs, I'll colour those with yellow, but they don't have to be. Oh, maybe with blue. Might be blue better. Just like in my picture. So there's the eggs. And then this bird also can be yellow. Just like the picture we've got. Colour this one yellow. And then you can colour the leaves. I'm going to use a dark green because I use light green and then dark green for these leaves, because there's many leaves. Okay, so that's a nice picture to colour, showing the bird in a nest with his eggs and the tree and the leaves. Okay, so when you've done that, you can take a photograph and send it to the line group to show me if you like, can't you? Okay. Right, now we're going to remember our numbers. So let's see if you can remember all your numbers. What number is this? 1. Okay, show me one finger and say 1. Very good. What number is this? 2. Look, 2 stars. 1, 2. What number is this? 3. So count the stars. 1, 2, 3. What number is this? 4. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is this? 5. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we know all our numbers up to 5, and we're going to sing a song about a bird. So are you ready to listen to the song? Let's go.
5 little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all at rest. Mama bird saw them starting to crack, and soon all the eggs were hatched. The first baby bird looked down at the ground. He got scared and couldn't make a sound. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird was too shy, shy, shy. The first baby bird got out of the nest. Then the next baby bird looked at the rest. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh my, my, my." The second baby bird flew way up high. The next baby bird then gave a sigh. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Too high, high, high." The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird said, "Oh, why, why, why?" The fourth baby bird went down to eat. The last baby bird gave a long, loud tweet. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly," but the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry. Mama bird said, "It'll be okay. You'll be all right, and there's a way." The little baby bird then started to sing and flew off, flapping his wings.
you enjoy that song and did you sing along with it? That's good. Okay, well, it's time to say goodbye now. So I'll say goodbye, but I will see you again soon. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.